In this video, I want to explore some potentially good coins to look at for August. And, we've got August upcoming. We've had a bit of a dip in the market on the day here. So these could be some potential good plays that I am personally looking at myself right now. And I'm very excited to hopefully see a bit more upside potential. So yeah, if you want to know what I'm doing in this market, you can check out the free to join Discord. And do remember that we're doing a 2.5k giveaway. So you've literally got a few days left to enter because it will be done in August. And, we're only entering people that join in July. So get yourself in the free Discord right now and check that out. Now, let's have a look at the market. We can see we're down to 3.9 trillion on the overall global market cap. But this is a fantastic number. We're just down a little bit on the day here. Personally, I'm not worried, and I still think we've got a great trajectory for the rest of the year. And I think, we're probably got like another 20% remaining in the bull run, 20 to 30%. I think the best is still yet to see, but I would have a strategy that allows you guys to, understand what to do to get out. So Patreon will help you do that. The Patreon is listed down below. Now let's just jump straight into the first coin. It is Blockstreet, and I've got to give myself a bit of credit because we looked at Blockstreet a few times, didn't we? We looked at Blockstreet a few times. I called Blockstreet in my group really, really early. I'm going to have to say it because credit is sometimes due where it's due, but it is up 335% at the moment. It did make an extravagant all-time high up to 0.276. Now, this is bridging Wall Street to Web3. This is the USD1 adoption narrative. It's got a team that have done billion-dollar exits, top 100 projects, major VC networks, and it's effectively what they're calling disruption meeting opportunity. So really big impact, a big scale here, and definitely a project that I'm excited about. Blockstreet launching into USD1 economy. Now, they will be going to token 2049 in Singapore, which is in October, which could reflect that maybe they're going to do their best to keep this thing growing as much as possible leading up to the event, because why would you bother going to an event if your token's down like 80 or 90%? You just look like, you wouldn't look great to your holders. You wouldn't be really supporting your own words if the charts were a flop. So definitely bullish, still bullish. Still, I think personally, pretty good time to get in because the market cap is so low at 85 million and the liquidity is 2.5 million right here. So they had a volume drop, and then they've got another massive volume spike. Quite a red 4-hour candle here, but in general, it's looking quite good. I'll be waiting personally for around 0.16 to buy back in. So let's see if this holds here or if it comes back down, or what the overall game plan is for this particular pump and the slight reduction in price that we've seen over the last few hours. It's down 34%. Typically, every time it comes down about 30% so far, it has been going back up. So 30% dips and then back up is how it's kind of been performing, actually. Pretty textbook on its dips and clips, if you want to call it that. Anyway, that's Blockstreet, coin number 1 right there. The next coin is going to be a quick one. It's a layer 2 Bitcoin scaler, 1 day, 7 hours, 30 minutes to go until the price goes up. So this is Bitcoin Hyper, the official Preza website. You can buy it with crypto using your favorite crypto wallets, and one Hyper token is $0.01245. So the Hyper ecosystem entails a wallet, explorer, bridge, staking rewards, and memes. Effectively, it's going to be a bridge into a layer 2 operation where you can settle and secure transactions and withdraw out to layer 1s. But in a nutshell, this is going to help speed up the Bitcoin network, giving it more lightning potential, giving it faster transactions, less carbon footprint. It's going to scale a bit like, Optimism to Ethereum and Polygon and things like this. So good tokenomics here. You can see Treasury gets 25%, marketing 20, rewards 15, listings 10, and development 30. So pretty excited to see what can happen. And they're getting a lot of support from a lot of big guys on the X platform here. So it could be a good one to look at, in my opinion. 13.6k followers as well on the X side. Have a little look down below, do a bit of research. But remember, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. Next coin is Sky. Now, I'm a bit of a vulture. When the markets come down, I like to find those coins that do have big narratives. Big narratives, a strong angle in the market. Obviously, Sky token with a $1.84 billion market cap has a big angle and narrative. Now, I'm not saying it can't break this uptrend and go back down, because it could possibly do so. But just looking at the month, it's had a great month. Market cap went from 1.6 to 1.8 bill. You can see here on the year, a fantastic year. It's 2x. So obviously there's some good narrative here. And this is a 2x, by the way, from February. So 5 months to 2x. Pretty decent. Now I'm seeing a dip of 10%. I personally might be tempted to actually buy some at these levels. So yeah, Sky, here you can see Sky enables users to get rewarded for non-custodial savings with USDS. Join the community, and you can see the Sky protocol here. They bought back 15.7 million Sky last week using 1.39 mil USDS. So they've done 1.09 billion in Sky buybacks, and when you kind of compare that to the overall supply, that's quite a large chunk if you actually think about it. 1 billion, 21 billion in the total supply here. So I guess that makes like, I can't even do the maths right now, but if 10% is 2 billion, 1% is 0.2 billion. So it's actually a good percentage. Really nice for sure. Next up, we have the one and only Farcoin. Again, it's going back to the meme narrative, and you can see that Farcoin actually pumped massively. 1.6 billion it reached not that long ago, literally just a week ago. It was sitting at 1.68 billion, and now it's already come back down to 1.15. So you can see how volatile the market is. You can see how quick these markets move up and down. But I would rather buy back into Farcoin right here as we have this dip. We can quickly just check how this coin looks on the trading view charts, because I just want to check very quickly. If you'll allow me to check, where is Farcoin? Where is Farcoin? Where is Farcoin? Stay with me, guys. I know you've got no attention span. It's all because of TikTok that you've got no attention span, by the way. And it's a reality. But if we can see that there might be a potential opportunity here, FA, where are we? Farcoin. If it's really over sold on the 4-hour time frame, I may even be tempted to grab some of it. But it does depend on how it actually looks on the indicator. So here we're using trading view. We've got some nice indicators, relative strength index. We can open this up and we can actually see, looking at our relative strength index on the daily time frame, we're not that oversold. We're really not that oversold. Now our indicator did give us a $1.35 short position entry on the daily time frame. So just on the 26th of July, you know, one of our indicators, X1 wave, which is an indicator that we have indeed now made and is fully live up and running, has let us know to go short on Farcoin. And I missed this one because I didn't have a look at it. But yeah, if you did get in, you're up 15%. You've got a short position there, which you would have made profits on. So check out our indicator down below as well. Trade Wave is included to the Patreon Crypto Legend package for free, which we do have limited space there. But if you're looking for, you know, a good trading bot or signal provider, then that can help you do so. But right now, yeah, Farcoin, I probably would wait for it to come down a little bit more. 4-hour time frame though, it is oversold, so it could actually get a little bit of a bounce here. It could be a little play, a little long play, but then we don't know how much upward sustenance it will have. But anyway, guys, that's about wrap. So before you go, please subscribe, like, comment, get yourself into the Discord, check out the giveaway, of course, and post your entry. All you got to do is subscribe, take a screenshot that you've done it, like this video, take a screenshot you've done it, of course, and then post your screenshot into the Discord in the giveaway proof channel. We're now sitting at 40,200 members, so thanks all for being here, and this is why we do giveaways. The bigger the community gets, the more we give away. That simple. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
We are doing a $2,500 giveaway, guys, and all I want to say is thank you for everything. Now, how do you enter this? Simply check out the Discord down below, get yourself in there and find the giveaway channel. Once you're in there, post a screenshot that you've subscribed and liked a video, and then I will enter you into the giveaway, and I'll personally pick out the winner myself at the end of July. So basically all you got to do is subscribe, like, take a screenshot. Doesn't matter which video it is, because I'm going to be posting this on every video in July at some point within the video.